Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you whole food appetizer recipes. The unique flavor combinations and whole food nutrition make these beautiful appetizers good for you. These vegetable-based dip recipes are perfect for any gathering. Don't let urges drive you to make the unhealthy choice. These mashed and pureed concoctions reveal how varied, interesting, and healthful snacking can be. Rarely will you find such a wide variety of ingredients thrown together in such stunning combinations. This easy fava bean dip is creamy and full of rich flavor, perfect for any party or spread onto sandwiches or pita bread. Simply toss the fava beans into the food processor, along with some garlic, lemon juice, vinegar, salt, and olive oil. Pulse until pureed. Scoop into a bowl, then garnish with pretty toppings. This butternut squash dip with date syrup uses tahini for an unforgettable flavor combination. Date syrup is a natural sweetener with wonderful richness and depth. There is something magical about the combination of tahini and squash. Serve as a starter with bread. This healthy beet dip is oil-free, flavorful, and high in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's made with steamed beets, chickpeas, garlic, lemon, tahini, and sea salt for a delicious, creamy, and low-fat spread that's awesome in sandwiches and wraps, on salads, or as a dip for raw vegetables, chips, and crackers. Try these great dips and spreads with raw broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and mushrooms to load up on nutrition. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.